CYN Stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? Let's see where is CYN stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Observing CYN, it's an overall like 29% decrease in price today, which was not even something that I was not expecting, because this is how my chart is looking like. Context, I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors over the last 4 years, spent thousands on, pretty much delivered thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel. And specifically with CYN, it's just like a bearish ticker for me. And again, it's really nothing personal. It's just that's the reality that we are living in right now. We had the second break, and it's already a break-even point for me. Am I gonna hold it over a week? Might as well, might as well, unless it really gaps up and takes me out a ton. But the break-even has been put on. It's gonna be like the stop loss there. So there's 2 ways that this thing can deliver. Either hits the stop loss or it hits the lows. Whatever happens, happens. I definitely am going to be getting out. I'm not going to hold this over the week, so over the weekend. So yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and very lean way, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.